cheap one, not a love. We give you the halal one.
Yeah.
There you go, young man. And this you wanted today or tomorrow?
Today.
Let's do chicken.
Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to give you guys the biggest cheap eats in London. So London is one of the most expensive places to eat in the world. But today I'm going to show you guys 10 stops that won't break the bank. You want to get the pistachio one?
That's pistachio?
Yeah, the pistachio one up there.
That one. Oh, I will.
And it's yours?
No, that's it.
We're gonna take four
For wild mushroom risotto.
Oh,
Made
mushroom.
with organic British smells.
Nice one, nice one. Mushroom risotto. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to give you guys the biggest cheap eats in London. So London is one of the most expensive places to eat in the world. But today I'm going to show you guys 10 stops that won't break the bank. So stop number one, we're going to go to this Jamaican place to do one of the nicest breakfasts, and it's really cheap as well. It's in Anerley Road near Crystal Palace. It's called Tasty Flavours. Let's go. So there's Tasty Flavours. Got all some cornmeal porridge. So I just ordered my porridge. It came up to $3.50. Can't wait to sample it. I'm actually starving. Thank you so much. Right, so I just found a quiet spot. It's really hard to get a quiet spot when I'm vlogging because there's always people watching what I'm doing. So I've got my porridge here. I'll just put the camera on top of the car. Yeah. So, as I said, this place does the best porridge in Southeast London. It's really cheap. They do one size. Most places do small and large, but this one is like one size and it's really big. Can you see how big it is? And yeah, the porridge is, oh my god, smells so nice. So most places sell a large for £5, $4.50, but this place does one size for $3.50 and it tastes absolutely nice. I've been here a few times, so I know how it tastes. So this is cornmeal porridge. This is a typical Jamaican porridge. Actually, like, this is my go-to every day. So first stop, Jamaican porridge, $3.50, not breaking the bank. So if you're wondering what cornmeal porridge is, it's basically cornmeal. They'll boil it in water, they put spice, they put nutmeg, cinnamon, coconut, condensed milk, sugar obviously, and it's really nice. Trust me, it's got so many flavours. This is the one. Now I'm ready to go to stop number 2. So I just finished my porridge, on my way to stop number 2. Going to a place called Clapham. If you see my previous videos, you know exactly what I'm going to. If you haven't seen those videos, then you're gonna have to wait. Let's go. So I just arrived at Clapham North, stop number 2, getting some rotis. So you know where we at. Tawa Roti, let's go. Right, gonna walk towards Tawa Roti. Almost there. Almost there. And there it is. We're back here again. Tawa Roti. Tawa Roti. Yeah. Greetings, greetings. We're back again. How's business? Yeah? Yeah, cool. Have you seen the video?
I haven't, you know.
Yeah, it's trending on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. So today I'm doing cheapies, everything under £4.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna get some doubles.
Doubles.
Yeah. No, just doubles. Yeah. Sorry? Just one. Yeah.
Some petrol?
Yeah. Right, so I just got my takeaway. For some reason, the lighting in there is not great because when I've done the first vlog in there, it looks a bit funny. It's a bit dark, you know what I mean? So just getting takeaway. I'm gonna probably eat on top of the car again. Yeah, let me cross the road and then we're gonna walk to the car. Yeah, doubles, £3. £3. Got the doubles now. There's the South London's famous double, Tawa Roti. See that? Got it extra spicy as well. This is definitely the best doubles. So I did go to the one in West London, Shepherd's Bush, Roti duper, but this one is definitely slightly better. South London does the best rotis and doubles. It only cost me £3. Proper lit. So I just finished my doubles. Now we're going to leave the hood. We're going to go to a more touristy area. So we're going to go to West End, the central part of London, more touristy. So we're going to go to Chinatown and Soho. I've got 2 more gems there. We're going to go through the underground. Just going down the escalators, we're going to use the underground. We're going to go to Chinatown, Soho. We've got 2 more gems. We're going to get off at Leicester Square. It is so busy here. This is the first time I've been to this Clapham North station. It's really busy. I think maybe it's a weekend. There's a lot of bars, there's a lot of pubs, and a few clubs as well. Okay, so I'm going to wait for the train. I'm going to jump on the train real soon. Right, so I just got out of Leicester Square station. That's the closest station to Chinatown. As you can see, we're in Chinatown now, and I'm gonna find stop number 3. So there's a place called Bun House. They sell the cheapest, or one of the places that sell the cheapest bao buns. And it's the first time trying. I've never tried bao buns before, so let's try and find. I think it's a few blocks from here. Yeah, there's Bun House over there. There's Bun House. So we go through this way. I want some bao buns.
Yeah.
What flavours do you have?
I have 6 flavours.
Yeah.
It's custard, veggie, pig, beef, chicken and lamb.
Okay, can I get chicken?
Just one?
Yeah, just one.
To go, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, I was getting some chicken bao buns, and it's costing me $3.80. Take a look. First time trying it, so I've got the chicken bao buns.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers. No, it's fine.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. There you go. So I just got my bao buns, $3.80. Gonna try and find somewhere quiet, somewhere where I can put my camera. I'm gonna enjoy this. All right, so here we go. We've got the bao buns, we've got the famous bao buns. And my first impression is really soft. It's warm as well, almost hot. And it's got a stamp on it. I'm not sure what it says. So if you speak Mandarin, please tell me what it means. So yeah, I'm gonna try this for the first time. Right, so I'm gonna take my first bite. Okay. So I was not expecting it. So it's got curry chicken. It's actually curry chicken. It tastes really nice. It's really hot, soft. That was a real surprise. I was not expecting this. I thought it would be like normal chicken. It's got curry chicken. It's really nice. So I just finished the bao buns, really enjoyed it. It really took me by surprise. I wasn't expecting that curry chicken, but it was nice curry chicken inside of a warm, soft dough. Really enjoyed it. Only $3.80, highly recommend. Chinatown. I'll put all the details on the screen or in the description. for stop number 4, I'm in the heart of Soho. There's a street called Argyle Street. And there's a place called Marugame. They sell some nice udon noodles. And I heard they're under £5. So I'm gonna go in there and see what I want. Let's go. There you go. Marugame. I got the name right for the first time. Right, so we just come inside. It's really nice inside, look. Really nice. It's really nice and vibrant, so clean. Do I get the 4.95?
495?
Yeah. Just waiting for it. So I think the 4.95 is a small portion, but if you haven't got a big appetite, then yeah, 4.95 is appropriate. If you've got a big appetite, you've got 6.95 and then you've got 8.95. But I'm doing 10 stops today, so I don't think I can manage that. So 4.95 is within our budget, under £5.
Right, there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Where do I pay?
So you pay it there.
Yeah, okay. Right, so yeah, just look at that. Got a spoon as well. I've got a spoon so I can drink the broth. Yeah, the broth tastes really nice. It's not too hot, and it's got some nice flavors, very interesting flavors. Kind of tastes a little. It's got like a smoky taste to it. The broth's got like a smoky taste to it. Yeah. And the noodles are very thick as well, very filling. I don't think I can manage a big one. But, so I do believe the small one is perfect. 4.95. Don't need more than that. Yeah, so nice. And it's got some spring onions. Some broth. It's really nice. I just like the broth. I like the taste that the broth has. It's got like a smoky, all-purpose seasoned kind of flavour. Really nice. And then the spring onions just makes it perfect. Listen, I just finished my bowl. Listen, when I say the food was peng, you know in London sometimes we say peng, we say leng. Yo, when I say the food was lit, food was lit. And this is me being honest. You are in the heart of Soho and you need something simple. You want some noodles. There's nowhere else to go. You go to that place, Marugame, and you pay £4.95, and then boom, that's you. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna keep it moving. I'm using my GoPro today, and the batteries are not really good, so I have to make it really quick. So I still got. We've done 4 stops. I think we got about 6 stops to go. So yeah, we're gonna keep it moving. See you guys on the flip side. So if you're into your tacos, I found a place that does £2 tacos, and it's not far from Marugame. So we're on Poland Street. We're on Poland Street, and it's number 6 Poland Street. So we're gonna walk a little bit up the road. We're gonna walk further up Poland Street. It's number 6 Poland Street, and it's called Barrios. Right, so I just found a place. It's right here. It's called Barrios. So we're gonna walk in. It's a little bit dark inside though. One second.
So it's you guys here, yeah?
Inside, it's a little bit dark. All tacos are £2 here. All tacos £2. So I'm gonna go for the tiger prawn one, buffalo tiger prawn one.
Yeah?
Yeah? Okay, thank you. I just placed my order. Gonna eat some tacos. You know what? I don't think I've had tacos, but it's my first time eating tacos. So sorry about the light. I know it's a little bit dark in here, but my taco just arrived. So I ordered the buffalo tiger prawns. So it's got coriander, lime slaw, avocado, and blue cheese, and it's got red cabbage as well. So this is what it looks like. We got the red cabbage, coriander. It's supposed to have some avocado as well. I can't see the avocado. But anyway. Yeah, it's decent. Really nice. I like the coriander sauce. Coriander sauce is really nice, and the prawns is nice and juicy. But for some reason, I didn't see avocado. No avocado inside. So I just tried to pay my £2 and to buy a drink, and then they didn't charge me. It's on the house. So big shouts going to Barrios. Thanks for looking out. So what's your name, boss?
Marcus.
Marcus. Big up Marcus for looking out for me. Boom. He gave me the grapefruit. Grapefruit's lit. I'm not really a big fan of grapefruit, but this one tastes actually alright. It doesn't really have that bitter aftertaste. But yeah, big shouts going to Barrios. Boom, it out. So I just came out of Barrios. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. I'll be honest, yeah. I'm actually full up. You know, I've already done 5 stops, and I'm feeling a little bit full up. So what I might do, I might just go and chill somewhere, or just do like loads of walking, burn off that food, and I think I've got about 4 or 5 stops left. Yeah, but big shouts go to Barrios. They looked after me. I got £2 tacos. I got the buffalo prawns with avocado, coriander, red cabbage. Although I didn't really see the avocado, I didn't see it. And yeah, they didn't charge me. It's always a plus. It's always a plus, and they subscribe to my channel as well. So yeah, Marcus, if you're watching this, bless up, bless up. Right, so I'm on Charing Cross Road. This is a heads up. So whether you're a tourist or you're from London, be very, very careful when you come here. There's people going around on electric bikes and stealing people's phones. I'll put a clip on the screen right now. This happened a couple of weeks ago, and it happens every day. And people's phones are getting stolen as well. So be very vigilant, put your phones away, and just look out for people riding electric bikes. So for our next stop, I'm in a place called Camberwell. It's southeast London, a deep, deep part of South London. So I'm gonna get some shawarma. So shawarma is very popular in London. There's so many shawarma places in London, but they're very, very expensive. So as we're on budget, I found this place in Camberwell. I'm not far from here, I'm quite local, so I know what the local joints are. So there's a place in Camberwell Church Street. It's in the centre part of Camberwell. They do some nice shawarma, some Lebanese shawarma, and the queues can be a bit long, and I'm approaching it now, and you can already see the queue. The queue's really, really long. So we're gonna join the queue, and then we're gonna get some shawarma.
What do you want, chicken?
Yeah, chicken, yeah.
You want sauce?
Yeah.
Chili garlic?
Chili and
Can
garlic.
we make it special?
Yeah.
How special for you?
Yeah.
You know the expensive chicken, please. The expensive one. You see with the chicken?
Expensive.
Yeah, you like the expensive or the cheap one?
The cheap one.
The cheap one, not enough. We give you the halal one.
Yeah.
There you go, young man. And this you want it today or tomorrow?
Today.
I just do chicken, yeah? Bye-bye.
Yeah, so this baby only cost me £4.50. Not breaking the bank. We're still on budget, £4.50, under £5. Really like it. I got the chicken. They got lamb, they got other flavours. They do falafel, but this is definitely to die for. And I like how they toast as well. It's very crunchy. So when they roll it and they put it in the toaster, it tastes absolutely nice, man. It's got sauces, it's got garlic sauce, chili. So if you guys in Camberwell and you want some cheap eats, this is shawarma for $4.50. You won't get that anywhere in London. So after this stop, I'm gonna get some dessert. I definitely need dessert. After all the food I've had, definitely gonna need some dessert. So follow me to the next stop. Boom. You know, I've noticed here, all day I've been eating and I haven't had a drink. Let me put you on to a new drink that I discovered, yeah, my new favorite drink. Don't go into this off license. Let me show you this drink here, look. Mogu Mogu, Korean. This is a Korean brand, got several flavors. This is my favorite drink right now. I've tried all of it. I've tried the coconut, I haven't tried the lychee. So basically it's like juice and it's got these bits in it. But trust me, this is my new addiction. So we're gonna sample this. So guys, if you're in London, I'm not sure if it's in foreign countries, but if you're in London, definitely look out for these. They're highly addictive. So it's similar to these ones, but this is like the new lick. Just got my Mogu Mogu. Guys, pay attention. When I say this drink is highly addictive, yeah, be really careful with this drink. Yeah, Mogu Mogu. Listen, I swear this week I must have had about 20 already. Like, it's just so addictive. I think what makes it worse is because it's a small bottle, it makes you want to like buy more and more. I wish they did a bigger one, but yeah, I'm gonna sample this one. I haven't tried this one yet. I think there's about 10 flavors. Right, so I'm in the car now. Got my favorite drink. Yeah, so it does taste exactly, you know, like when you drink lychee juice, it tastes exactly like that, but it's just got the bits in it and it's very refreshing. I highly recommend you drink it chilled. Like, try and get it chilled. If not, like, take it home, put it in the fridge. It really goes down well. I absolutely love this drink, man. So it's a Korean drink and it's trending in the UK right now. I don't think everyone's caught on yet, but very soon everyone's going to be drinking this. It's everywhere. It's in all the shops. Right, so we're going to go to the next stop. Hopefully I'll have some more space when you get there. Boom. Right, so we've almost come to the end. I've had so much food, I haven't had no dessert, so we're going to find some dessert. I'm in a place called Borough Market. It's near London Bridge. London Bridge station is the nearest station. There's a place called Bread Ahead. I've heard a lot of good things about Bread Ahead. Selling some nice pastries. They do some nice donuts. You know them trendy donuts? I've never had them before, so I'm gonna try one. I heard the prices ain't too crazy. They've got several branches. There's one in Chelsea. They've got one in South Kensington. It's so busy, man, so busy. And there's another one as well that just recently opened near my house, near Bromley. But as we're in the central London, we'll come to the Borough Market one. And whilst we're here, I'm gonna show you guys around. This is the biggest outdoor market in London. Old school as well. It's a very old, very classic outdoor market. Ooh, someone just fell. Ooh. She just took a tumble. Yeah, so yeah, this place is busy, man. As you can see, really busy. We're gonna take a quick walk around the market. I want to show you guys what the market looks like. It's crazy here. Look, it's like a football stadium. It's like a football stadium. There's so many people here. A lot of tourists. The good thing about this place is you get tourists and you also got locals as well. So it's not like a tourist trap. They sell some nice food. People come here for lunch as well during the week. Let me show you what this place looks like. It's crazy. Free samples. What they got? Let's see what they've got. Free samples. Free samples.
There you are, boss man.
Thank you. So what is it? What
It's
is
a
it?
beautiful wild mushroom risotto.
Oh,
Made
mushroom.
with organic British smells.
Nice one, nice one.
Alive.
Mushroom risotto. It's alright. Nah. I think I'll pass on that one. When you come here, you get so many samples. So you can literally, if you want to fill up your belly for free, you just get pure samples. Pure sample. I think Bread Ahead is here. This is where we're gonna come to. Bread Ahead. Yeah, so as you can see, the queue's quite long, but I'm gonna show you guys around the market first. This market is crazy. We're gonna take a walk inside. We're gonna walk inside the market. There's a indoor bit, and then you got the outside bit, but it's packed. It's always packed, especially during the weekend. So as it's the weekend, bare people eating. It's like an outdoor canteen. Bare people eating. Bare people eating. And listen, we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you how crazy this place gets. Still got that spoon. Let's get rid of that spoon, bro.
Yes, it is. You're correct.
See over there? That's the eat. That's the place where people can sit and eat. It's just mad. It's like a stoop. It's like one of those American stoops. You know, like you can sit on the stairs and just eat. Madness.
Oh, no.
A lot of food. When you come here, you'll be spoiled for choice. Trust me. You got the Mexican street food here, ramen. Guys, if you want me to do an episode just on Borough Market, let me know in the comments, and we'll do an episode. Because I only came here for Bread Ahead. But if you guys want me to do an episode on Borough Market, just let me know in the comments and we'll do it. But this is just a quick glimpse. I know it's a bit rushed. I don't want the video to be too long. This is like a strictly cheat eats, everything under £5. Yeah, so we're just gonna like take another walk around. We're gonna go inside.
Just stand here. Nothing's on the menu. Don't lose my stuff.
Madness. This is it. So this is like not even half of the market, you know. Look at all those strawberries, man. They look so nice. Guys, look at these strawberries.
Who's next, Ron?
How much is the
Orange
cup?
snack is in the end.
How
Keep moving, guys.
much is the cup?
One,
8.50.
yes? Sorry, one here.
It looks so good. So it's $8.50, and I think you can get like a chocolate topping on top of it. And it's $8.50. Not paying $8.50. Remember, our budget's £5 or less. So I'm in the queue right now. The queue's not that bad. It's moving. Let's see. Yeah, we're almost there. Can I get the pistachio one?
That's pistachio?
Yeah, the pistachio one at the
Oh,
end.
that one. Oh, I will.
And it's yours?
No, that's it.
We're gonna take 4 for home. We are taking it home, guys.
So I got the pistachio.
Pistachio.
That's what I've got. Right, so this came up to $4.50. Just gonna pay for it now. So I'm just gonna activate the Apple Pay. Second. Yeah, $4.50. Not too bad, not too bad. Still in budget, still in budget. Alright, thank you, man. Appreciate that, appreciate it. $4.50, we're winning, we're winning. We're winning, we're winning. Gonna find somewhere quiet to try this. Really excited to try it. Right, so this is what the donut looks like. It looks so nice. It looks so nice, I don't even want to bite into it. You know them ones? Yeah, so this is the pistachio donut from Bread Ahead. Just look at that, just look at that beauty. So it's a donut and it's got custard and then they sprinkle pistachio and it's got pistachio all over it. Yeah. But you know what? I feel guilty now. I'm gonna bite into it. I feel so guilty. You know what? Sometimes, you know when they put flavours on stuff, you can't taste the flavour. I can actually taste the pistachio, funny enough. You can taste the custard, and it doesn't taste too cheap. Yeah. This is what you call a premium donut. Yeah, it's really nice. The donut's like nice and soft. It's not tough. You see this donut here? When you eat this donut, it tastes like you bought it from like a high-end shop. It's a high-end shop, but we're still in budget. $4.50, can't go wrong. Alright guys, I'm gonna sign off and finish the rest of my donut. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you know anyone that's come to London, or even if you're from London and you're looking for somewhere to go to eat reasonably, please share this video. And once again, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed. Out.